For women, for health, for life. Call Obstetrics and Gynecology Associates now for your private consultation.
Baby Care Essentials is brought to you by Huggies brand baby products, helping you take extra special care of your newborn from head to toe.
The closer I get to my due date, the more excited I'm getting, especially now that my baby's furniture is in. I feel like it's really becoming a special place for my baby. It's been so much fun with the baby showers and getting all these cute little things my baby needs. It's amazing how big the list is for such a tiny baby. To help you prepare, we've put together a hassle-free checklist so you can get all the essential baby care items you'll need to give the best care to your newborn. You really need to start with the basics. For changing time, buy enough diapers to get through the first 2 weeks at least. Newborns can go through as many as 10 to 12 diapers a day. That means you should pick up about 150 just to get you started. It's also good to have at least one package of the next size up, so you'll have it on hand as your baby grows. Now, not all diapers are the same. This one is especially designed for newborns with a U-shaped cutout that helps keep the diaper from touching the umbilical cord as it heals. Choose baby wipes that are made for delicate newborn skin. They should be hypoallergenic, fragrance-free, and alcohol-free. You'll want at least 2 tubs for different locations in the house, and from then on you can buy the refill packs. Also, pick up some travel size packs for your diaper bag, car, or purse, and a changing pad with non-slip waterproof backing. You'll definitely want a diaper bag to carry all the baby's changing needs when you're away from home. For the nursery, a diaper disposal next to the changing table is a must. For bath time, you'll need tear-free baby wash and shampoo, baby lotion, and some diaper rash cream. And to give your baby a bath, an infant plastic baby tub is great for easier handling and convenience. Other important baby care essentials are for those times when your baby isn't feeling well. Organize your baby's medicine cabinet, complete with a digital thermometer, nasal aspirator, and medicine dispenser or dropper. For grooming, all they really need is a soft brush and nail clippers. And if you're considering a pacifier, remember one size does not fit all. Look at the packaging and buy one made for newborns. Now that you have all the essential items in place and put away, sit back, relax, and think about how wonderful it'll be when you finally get to welcome your new baby home.